Hey everyone, I'm back with another BattlePets video. In this video I'm going to show you more details on how to use the Bakeryswap interface to trade with weapon, pet, and fruit. I'll also show you how to add to liquidity pools if you choose to do that. And at the end of the video I'll be sharing with you the latest BattlePets updates. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you that this is just fan-made content and not financial advice in any way. And I'm not connected with the developers in any way. Anyhow, I want to start with some exciting news. First off, that BattlePets has been listed on CoinMarketCap, so you can now find PET Token on CoinMarketCap. Also on CoinGecko, there's now over 1,000 people that have liked BattlePets, so the community is increasing really quickly. Now let's get into the details on how to set up for trading. All these links will be in the video description, but you want to go to info.bakeryswap.org, click on tokens. You're going to want to search the tokens that you want to trade with. In this case I'm going to search weapon, and then you can see the token interface load. You can add the token to your bookmarks with this button. I've already added them, so this is what they'll look like, and then you can switch between the tokens that you want to trade. I would recommend adding all the tokens of the BattlePets ecosystem, so that's weapon, pet, and fruit. Using this view, you can change the charts to hourly, daily, and see some of the history of the token's performance. As you can see, pet, weapon, and fruit have all been doing very well lately, as BattlePets has increased in popularity. Scrolling down on one of these charts, you can see all the pairs available and the liquidity in each of the pairs. So these are the liquidity pools, the fees behind the pools. We'll get into that a little bit more later. For now, let's keep going on how to trade and set this up. So you could trade this by clicking trade, but I would first recommend copying the address, the token address from the URL up here, and then clicking trade. You can see the token import into the Bakeryswap exchange. But to get it to actually stay the next time you show up here, it's better to search the address and then click the add button. And then the next time you refresh the page and come back to the swap, you can see that token for you to trade with. You only need to do this with weapon and fruit because pet is already listed inside of the interface. And I would recommend doing that with both those so that you have all the items in the ecosystem in your Bakeryswap exchange profile. At this point, you can then trade to trade Bake, Binance, or any of these tokens into your desired ecosystem item. You can also use the pool tab to add liquidity, doing the same thing with the chosen pair if you wanted to add liquidity to a pool. And you can see the entry price and your potential pool position. You'd have to add, if you're entering a pool, you'd need both Bake and weapon in this instance, because those are that you need to add to both sides of the liquidity pool. I wanted to remind you what each of the different tokens do. So fruit is currently only used for feeding pet to make them have more battle power, or for trading into other things. Weapon is only used for forging weapons or trading into other tokens. Pet is kind of the universal underlying token asset, so it's many uses. You can create new pet NFTs, you can feed your NFTs, or you can forge weapons with it. It's also good for trading into other tokens. Okay, that brings us on to the biggest news, the latest news announced from the developing side of BattlePets. The first thing is this thing we have a date for coming April 1st is pet liquidity farming. So this looks like we can stake pet and BNB and have it earn us pet at a 200% API. So if you're interested in that, what you should do beforehand is pile up enough PET and BNB to be able to participate as soon as it comes out. They've also shared with us this to-be-released screenshot of a new adventure type, which looks like it's going to allow you to stake PET and Bake, PET and Cake, some other coins. I can't really recognize all of them, but we don't have much details on that yet, but it's good to see that there's more developments coming, and that we'll be able to do more with our different PET tokens. Although I'm not sure if we'll be able to actually stake our NFTs in this new PET island. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like for the algorithm. And I'd like to thank Black Chili for sending me some BattlePets fan-made art by him, so thank you.